Hi, I am Guy, the Dredge Guy, and I'm going to show you how to use the VMI Edge Dredge Calculator app for Apple iOS and Android devices. In this video, I will cover the topics, settings, and reference data contained in the app. The VMI Edge Dredge Calculator app has 4 topics to select from on the main screen. These areas are Settings, Projects, Reference Data, and Slurry Calculator. The free version of the app does not include Projects, which provides calculations and graphs to project dredge production based on pipeline length. However, in the Projects video, I will show you what Projects has to offer. As you can see, there is a menu button in the top left corner, and when selected, it will provide you with a drop-down menu for all the areas within the app. The first topic I would like to cover is Settings. I will select Settings now. As you can see on the screen underneath the app mode is Imperial. This is listed near the top, and there is a button to the right of Imperial. By default, the app is set to Imperial units. In order to change the app to metric units, simply tap on the slide button and you will see the units change to metric. Below the units is some information about the app itself, including which version of the app you are running and which feature mode you are using. Now, tapping on the menu in the top left corner, it will expand the menu options. I will now select About, which provides some information about VMI for your reference, along with a link to VMI's website. Tapping on the menu button in the top left corner again, it will expand the menu options. This time I will select Reference Data. This screen provides reference information to be utilized in the Slurry Calculator and Project sections of the app. The reference data provides a general list of specific gravities for different materials, which you can view by scrolling up and down. If you slide the screen to the left, it will display ranges of viscosities for different materials. Sliding the screen to the left again will take you to a table of approximate pipe roughness data for different types of pipe. You can simply swipe left and right to switch between reference data tables. This now concludes the tutorial on the VMI Edge Dredge Calculator app topics, settings, and reference data. I hope you find the app very useful in assisting you with your dredging needs.